everyone. Now we are going to be continue doing selection of diffuser. Okay. So my earlier video, have you seen that how we are selecting the diffuser in the catalog and what are the information we are seeing there so that we can be select the exact diffusers inside the meeting room. Now how we are going to place the diffuser? The first thing, this is meeting room, and we have to draw one line and div divide into 8 part, so I can delete this. Okay, another line I'm going to be draw here, divide by 4. So that means I got one line here, and I can do it mirror this. So one supply, one supply, one return, and then again next supply. I moved this line little because it was not in the center. So I remove this, pick up this, take the center and place it here. So the next line, you can see here where is the point is coming. It's very easy. You see here. So in this side, what I will do, copy the supply, because in front we cannot keep the supply together. It has to be a little bit far away, from the written diffuser. It has to be a little bit far away, supply diffuser. The next one, copy, then I paste to here, right? Then again supply, then again I'll be selecting this, again written. So you can see I am going to remove all the lines. Now we have play the diffusers. You can see that if you want to check this, where we are, dimension from okay. So we can do the dimension like that. Okay, if you don't want, you can just remove it. So all diffuser has been placed in the look like is nice. Okay, so now our unit, we have a fan call unit. We are going to, it's not exact unit, this is just I take the block only. I don't know what is the exact size, but later we'll be learning that how we're going to size up the fan call unit. So now just move here, leave it the space in behind little bit for getting the written here. Then you draw the rectangle, then all the supply is going to be connect like that. Okay, and this is our supply line. You can see this will need to be trimmed. So Please keep on continue watching my next video. I'll be go for very detailed